Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're dying to get out on the water and paddle around and have fun on a stand-up paddleboard, you are going to have a blast with this one that I got from AquaJourney. So I've been paddleboarding for several seasons, and what I love about this board is that it's just very simple, no nonsense. If you're looking for a relaxing time to get out and cruise on the water, this is definitely the board for you. It's really nice and stable. It's 10 feet, 6 inches long. It has a 31-inch base and it is 6 inches wide. So this will support up to one person, 350 pounds. And having the 3 fins makes it very stable and easy to maneuver. You can fill this between 12 and 15 psi. I prefer filling it up to 15 psi because that's going to give you more of a feeling of standing on it like a wooden board. This has an EVA non-slip deck. This works really well even if it's wet and you're on bare feet. It's going to help you to stay standing. This has nice D-rings and bungee cords in the front where you can put things like your shoes or maybe even your paddle if you're just wanting to lay back and let the tide or the current take you. I got the yellow toucan style. I love the bright, vibrant colors and the bird on it. It's just adorable. This comes with everything that you need to get out on the water, a pump, a paddle, and even a carrying bag along with a leash. So if you fall off, it's not going to go away. You should check them out, and that's my point of view.